In this video, I will show you how to create the following effect.
Well, thank you for checking out this demo. We have even more inspiration on our website, so check the computer.
The first thing you need is a recording of yourself. A green screen is not needed, because Wintor has an option to automatically remove the background for you. It will take a little bit of time. Then you need to download the generated file from Wintor and create the science fiction effect in any video editor you like. Next, go to web.wintor.com and get some elements you need for your scene. Don't forget to get the correct sounds as well. Lastly, I utilize Canva to create a transparent PNG of a projector beam. Now it's time to start editing. Using the Wintor AR Tours app, create a no-scan spot. This is an AR scene you can place anywhere. Start adding the elements you need to the scene by dragging and dropping it.
Thank you for checking out this demo. We have even more inspiration on our website, so check the computer.
I need to set all the elements I want to make appear after tapping the robot to hidden at the start using the settings tab. Next, I am going to set the tap trigger using the behaviors tab. I need to set all the actions manually, step by selecting the correct actions and elements. I can hit the editor switch at the top to try the scene as a visitor.
Thank you for checking out this demo. We have even more inspiration on our website, so check the computer.
That's looking good. So the last thing I want to add are the sounds and music, and set the correct volume for each of them and add them to the behaviors of the robot.
Thank you for checking out this demo. We have even more inspiration on our website, so check the computer.
We hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe and visit web.wintor.com to try Wintor yourself.